last week I wasn't really able to
Mm.
trade that much, so I didn't. I didn't really. I was in the office.
Okay. Though last week
Yeah.
our analysis didn't the market didn't
It didn't play
come
out.
to our entry. Yeah, it didn't play out.
Yeah.
But though I analyzed the trades last week. I analyzed it from where the market picked it from, but I was kind of will I say, trying to be on a safer side in the sense that
Yeah,
the
hesitant.
yeah, the market broke out from this
Mhm.
consolidation zone, then retraced a little bit, then continued. So I I would have the first this analysis that I dropped, I deleted it, and that was where the market actually touched
Got
from.
it.
Yeah, it was
Oh
crazy.
wow.
I was just looking at it. It was really crazy. I was looking at the market, like my first analysis, and went through. I think that was this one. Not this. Okay, I think this is. I think this was the first analysis that I did. I did first analysis at the second one because I did two analysis. Although,
Okay.
anyways, yeah, the first one, that was where the market started from.
Oh wow.
It started from there. It gave me an entry from the first analysis, then it started going up. You understand? And one of our team dropped it, but my annoyance is that he did not post it on the group. This is the analysis here. This one, which is
Yeah, I think I
bright.
saw it afterwards. Yeah, I saw it
Yeah,
afterwards.
Bright, he did the analysis and the same entry. This was the first one I did. This was how
Yeah.
it looks. The first analysis I did because I took my Fibonacci from here to where the market
Yeah.
presently. So the market came and touched the 61%, then skyrocketed up. But I saw that
Wow.
probably the market might exceed that 61, and I wasn't
Yes.
really that will I say sure that the market that
Okay.
place was the previous low. Do you understand? I wasn't really sure that
Yes.
because the way the market went last week, it broke and still came back to that low. So I was thinking that the market has not touched this low, so
Yeah.
we are still going to take our Fibonacci from here to the where the market is presently. So that was what
Yes.
actually happened last week. But it's good that the market didn't get to our entry than we lost a trade.
Oh, 100%.
Do you understand? So it's better you analyze and
Yes.
the market didn't get your entry than you do a wrong analysis and the market hit you out.
Drops your money.
Yeah. So that is it. Anyways, it's still a good one. So this is the one I did and dropped in the group. But the market came here, it touched here and went up from this angle, though it was consolidating here. So
Yeah.
it was on Wednesday. It was on Wednesday that we had this massive buy, right? It was on Wednesday that we had this massive buy. That was
Yes.
around that was around 1,000 pips.
Hmm.
Only on Thursday we had around 1,000 pips. Do you understand? So the market
Yes.
is sometimes that's why it's good. One thing I tell traders is that you mustn't be trading every day. You mustn't be trading every day. Okay, these are online. You understand? One day at the market like it will give you it will give you what people have been chasing for 2 weeks. It will give it to you
Yes.
on a day, especially US 30. Do you understand? US30 is a very, very volatile. Once it wants to give you money, profit, it will give it to you once. All the one that he has not been, you just have to exercise patience. You just have to exercise patience. I'm seeing people that are just joining. You guys are welcome. Let's try as much as possible to at least keep to time. Now, by the special grace of God, I'm getting back fully by the special grace of God. So we'll kickstart fully very soon. So you guys are
Yeah.
welcome. I see Theodora, Bright, Erica. You guys are welcome. So um, as I was saying, is better you don't trade than you analyze a trade that you're not supposed to analyze and the market hits you out. Do you understand? So last week the market did not come to our entry. Last 2 weeks the market didn't get to our entry. It was all fine. It's better than we lost money. It's
The
better it
money.
didn't get to our
Mm-hmm.
entry. You understand? So as I'm doing the analysis with you guys, I try as much as possible to at least make it in a such a way that we all understand to a certain level. Till you get to a particular level, I will now know, okay, we can take entries by from 5 minutes. Because me, I analyze till 4 hours. I take trade from 1 hour. I still take trade from 5 minutes.
Okay.
But if I should show you guys how to start taking trade from 5 minutes, you will not understand. You guys you will not understand how the market moves on 5 minutes. Sometimes it's very tricky unless you have been trading US30 for a very long time. So I know how US30 moves. I know how the candle moves on 5 minutes. It is very, very fast. When you go to 5 minutes, the market is very, very fast. So that's why I always tell you guys to stop at 1 hour. Your 1 hour should be entry level. Because if you start taking trade from 5 minutes, the market will be knocking you out. Unless you've had experience, you've gathered a lot of experience on US30. I take my swing trade for I hold for a very long time. I take from 1 hour. I also take from 5 minutes for just to catch 200 pips, 300 pips, I'll leave. So if you're not experienced enough, you won't you won't be able to understand how it works on 5 minutes. So it's better we take from 1 hour. I analyze the market to stop from 4 hours. Then you wait, you use 1 hour and wait for your entry. Then you take your entry, then allow you to run. Once the market gets your entry, you allow you to run. You can allow it to run for the week. Only one trade is okay for the week. Like I said, the market gave us last week, the market did 1,000 something piece, which if actually someone enter this market, let's say for instance, you enter zero. Are you guys seeing my screen? Can
Yes,
you
we
see
are.
my screen?
Yes.
You're the only one answering, Miss Margaret. What of others? Please be active, guys. Be active.
Yeah, yeah, we see.
Hello, Professor.
Okay. So the market did up to 1,000 something pips, which that normally you will normally get it once we do get it 900 pips, 800 pips, right? We do get it 800 pips. So now let's take for instance the market. You enter the market with let's say at what price? Because based on our psychological level, at let's say 50,700, because that's where the market pushed up from 5,700. Then to up to this place, because definitely if you do the analysis here, definitely when the market start consolidating, that's where you know that okay, it's done. It's done for the buyers, right? Then 51,000. This is where the market started consolidating again. 51,000. 600, 51,600, right? 51,600. So let's say, for instance, you use 0.02. You'll be making $180 just for a day. You'll be making $180.
Wow, that's really good.
So if you use 0.1, you'll be making $900 just for a day. Some people's salary is not up to $900 in a month, just for a day. And if you can wait 2 weeks just to take only a particular trade with your 0.02 or 0.1, you make this amount. Is it not better for you to wait? That's one of the features as a trader you need to have as a trader. Patient. If you don't have it, you'll be losing. You'll be winning and be losing. You don't have that trade, you'll be losing and winning. So that is it. Last 2 weeks I didn't trade. Last week I didn't trade. It's not that I'm not seeing entries, but I want the market to get to where I want it to get to before I'll start doing anything. But it didn't get, so I'll just relax. Instead of me to go back and give the market the one he has already given to me the previous time, it's better I wait. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Are we together?
Yeah.
So that is it. So those that are trading, that have started challenge account, how is it going? Erica, have you started your challenge account? Those have started both challenge live.
No, I
Like, I
haven't
want to hear
started
from you
yet.
guys. How is it going? Unmute and talk. I want to hear from you guys. Hmm? Unmute. Erica. Hello.
I don't have any current accounts. Yes, orange accounts
I can't hear you. Can you speak
because
up?
it's true that I got.
I can't hear you. Speak up, please.
I'm just waking up. My voice.
You are just
I
waking
said
up.
I don't have any current accounts. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
You
I'm
don't...
just waking up. That's why my voice is.
All right. Okay. So which other person? Do you have any other person that is on challenge? Huh?
No.
Okay. There's this guy here. Theodora, how is your account going? Unmute.
Hello, what? Is that what?
How is your account going? Say you have a Naira account, right?
Yes. It's going west.
It's going well. Did you trade last week?
Yes.
It's going well, right?
No, I didn't trade.
You didn't trade last week. Or how about last 2 weeks?
Yes.
So how much have you made so far?
Yes, last 2 weeks I traded.
How much have you made so
I've
far with your
actually
account?
passed phase one.
Okay, you have passed phase one.
It's a pro-firm account. I've passed phase one, phase two, I mean phase three now.
It has which account is that? You have phase one, phase two, phase three.
And the phase three is a funded one, but it seems more like a trial too.
Which this thing
It's
pro-firm is
Naira
that?
trader. It's a Naira trader.
Naira trader. Okay. So how much
Yes.
challenge account?
So I mean funded one.
How much
It's
challenge account?
200,000.
200,000. Okay, that's good.
200,000 naira. Yes.
Okay. So what you do to pass that account, whenever I will drop analysis, also do your own analysis. Don't take much trade. One trade is okay for you to pass that account. Sure, you can swing on the account.
Yes, I
You can
can.
swing. Okay, pretty good. So what you do,
I
allow
can.
the markets, once we do analysis, hold on, guys. Once you do analysis for the week, allow you to come to your entry. Once you come to your entry, you enter, then allow you to run. You can even use one single trade and pass the account. Then you calculate your loss size, calculate your stop loss. So once you calculate it, know what you are risking, then you can easily pass the account in a day. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yeah. So don't wait.
Thank you
Don't
very much.
don't wait for many entries. Just wait for a quality trade. Wait for a quality trade. Hit it. Because trying to enter trade every day, you might likely lose the account. That is how I pass challenge accounts. If I do analysis, I'll wait for once it comes to my entry, I'll enter and leave it to allow it to run. 2-3 times I have done it. I've done it on 15,000, I've done it on 100K. So before I can now start taking trade on 5 minutes to catch sharp entry. Right? So that is it. So is there any other person that is on challenge, or is there any other person that is on challenge account or life account? Any other
I'm on a
person?
live account, but sorry, I'm on a live account, but it's not a challenge account. It's just a small account, my personal.
Okay, personal account, Mr. Okay. So how is
But
it
it's
going?
growing.
It's growing,
Yeah,
right?
it's growing though.
Okay, please also remember what I
Yeah,
told you.
it's growing.
Just keep doing it that way. Taking one trade, highest 2 trades
Okay.
per week. You will see how it will grow massively.
Okay,
I
so
have accounts.
okay.
I
Thank you
have
so much.
accounts, just small accounts. This is my SNS account, and this is the account information. As you guys can see, this is floating profit,
Yeah.
280. This account is $100, 100 and something. This is life account, right? But the accounts have made up to 6,000 plus pips. This is where I enter the trade. It's still running. I wish I can share my screen. I'll show you
Oh
guys.
wow.
It's still running. It has made 6,000 profit, and I'm just using it to try how patient I can be. My patience skill. This is where I enter the trade. Can you guys see?
Wow.
This is where
Yeah.
I've entered this trade. If I show this one my mentor, she will be like, "It's crazy." This is where I enter the trade, and the trade has done. It has done 6,000 plus pips. Imagine holding a trade from here
Wow.
to this level. We are on 4 hours. So I'm leaving it. If actually XNS, they are not going to cut me short. I'm just breaking even. Right? I'm just breaking even. I would have showed you guys, but it's on my iPhone. I just connected. It's only this thing, my Android, I can connect with my laptop. I would have shown you guys the trade. It's on my MT5. Right? So here, I'm
Okay.
waiting for the trade. I have another analysis for this particular one on weekly. On weekly, this is where I enter the trade. This is where I enter the trade. Because I know definitely when the market comes here,
Wow.
it cannot break. This is weekly. It cannot break that place. So I enter the trade and leave it. and it has been running and it's going to surpass this level. So that is one of the things you do. You know that, okay, you are really trading. You can hold trade for a very long time. I'm using it to build my patience, right? The money is not, I'm just using it
That's
to
really
build my
good.
patience.
That's really good.
Yeah. So that is
That's
it.
really good.
You see a very good entry, you allow it to roll in as much as your broker can accept it. So that is it. So let's do we have any question? Do you have any question? Because I've been off for a while. Do you have any question? Do you have any challenges? Do you have any challenges so that we'll tackle it then focus. Okay, this is where I took the trade. This is where I took the trade. This is where I said buy. Then this is where I'm expecting the trade to come. Then before retracement, 61%. This is my weekly. So if you watch, this thing has been here since last year. It has been here since last year. If you guys can see clearly. You see? Buy market, buy market, buy market. This thing has been here. This analysis has been here since last year. I don't touch it. It's just there. It's just there. So so that is it. So do we have any question? Do we have any question, guys? You know, for 2 weeks now, we've not had meeting, and I was really busy. Yeah. Do you have any question? Please, if you are in a noisy environment, mute yourself. I'm hearing some noise. If you are in a noisy environment, mute yourself. Let me mute. So that is it. Do we have any question? If we don't have any questions, so we'll do our top-down analysis. Do you have any question? Ask question if there is any challenges you're having, any problem,
Hey,
anything,
great.
just what?
So, hello.
Yeah, Bright, I speak, we can hear you.
Good afternoon. I have a question about the last week analysis
Okay, go on.
because last week where you place your the Fibonacci, I didn't place my deal.
What? Come again, please.
Last week,
Please, you guys should mute yourself. iPhone.
okay.
Yeah, you guys should mute yourself.
I said
Only Bright should unmute. Yeah. Bright, go ahead. Bright, go ahead. Go ahead.
okay. Last week I do my own analysis about the market. You place yours, and I said let me test my confidence, and I do my own analysis, and I do my stop loss and my take profit, and the market came to my own. But I don't understand why you played your Fibonacci there. This one, let me check. I didn't 49,180. But as for me, I placed it at 50,400. I think yes. Now the
Uh,
market came to my entry, but I was not around to enter the trade.
okay,
That's why
then
I posted it on the group.
did you post that your analysis on the group? Did you post it on the group?
No, I didn't post it. Yes, I didn't post it.
Yeah, like I always say, you guys should, whenever I do analysis, also do your own analysis. Also do your own analysis.
Yeah,
Take your
yeah.
trade. That's what I always say. Take your trade. Don't look at mine. You understand? Use the confluences
Yes.
that I teach you to take your trade. When I'm analyzing trade, when I'm analyzing the market, I have a perspective. The way I have perspective, that's the way
Okay.
you also as a person, you also have your own perspective.
Yeah.
Trading is a game of probability, but following uh, your confluences, it what makes you a good trader, following your confluences.
Yes.
Do you understand? So when you drop that
Yeah.
trade, if had it been that you dropped that trade, the analysis that you did, I did it first time. Had it been that you came early, I was explaining it to Mrs. Margaret, right? I did the
Okay.
analysis initially, then I have to delete it because I saw that
Wow.
okay, the market did not really break fully the resistant level. It didn't break fully the resistant level, right? That's why I now came back and drew it from the low, from that support level back to where the market was currently as of last week, right? Not knowing that the market has already
Yeah.
given a signal that okay, I've already broken it. I will continue buying.
Yes.
Do you, do
Yes.
you, do you understand the coincidence?
Yeah.
So that was what happened. This is where I took my Fibonacci. I took my Fibonacci from this level because in my mind, my own perspective is that okay, the market has not really broken this resistance level. And I thought that it is going to come back, then take us up from there. But the market continue buying, then
Yeah.
came back here, touched the trend line and skyrocketed up. So that was what happened.
Yes.
So that's why I told you guys always drop your
Yeah.
analysis, always drop your analysis and be confident in yourself.
Okay.
When you do it consecutively, you do it time
Okay.
to time to time, you gain confidence. That's when you tell yourself, oh, I'm not a confident trader. You start
Yeah.
you start taking trade on your own. You see, you did the analysis and it's played out. Now you are happy, you know that okay, I've done analysis and it's played out.
Yeah.
You understand? It builds your confidence.
Yeah.
Always do it consistently. That's why I always tell you guys, whenever I drop analysis, don't depend on my analysis. We are all here, we are learning.
Yes.
You understand? We are learning. Always do your analysis also. Don't only depend. That's why I don't give signals. That's why I don't give signals. Do your
Okay.
analysis. We are here to learn. I don't believe in like giving you fish. I believe in teaching you how to catch the fish. You catch it on your own. You get? So so that is it.
Okay.
Always drop your analysis. If I drop analysis, drop your own. If your own plays out, good and fine. If my own
Okay.
plays out, good and fine. We are all here learning.
Okay. Okay.
Does that answer your question, Bright? Do you have any other
Yeah. Yeah.
question?
Because last week the market gave a gap and that previous load is where I placed my Fibonacci. Yes.
Yes, very
Now
well.
remember
Yeah, that was a very good
yes.
analysis. Yeah, bravo. So, do you have any other question?
Okay.
Do you have any other contribution whatsoever? I'm going to delete this so that we'll do our top down. Do you have any other question? Do you have any other question, guys?
Nothing from me, sir. Nothing from me.
Okay, let's use 10 minutes. We have 10 minutes. Let's use 10 minutes and do our analysis. So, what we'll have here is our monthly time frame. So this is the month of we're in the month of June. We're in the month of June. So as we usually do, we'll take our rectangular, we'll mark out the high and the low, the low. And here I'll still mark out a low here. This is the previous low, right? Because the market has already broken this. So we don't have much. We'll move down to weekly weekly. Okay. So I see another rejection at this angle. This place, because there are multiple rejections there before the market could be able to break it. So let's take note of it. Then we'll move down to the daily, our daily. So let's bring our trend line. Our trend line. Right? So we'll move down. We'll move down to the 4 hours. Or let me first check this Fibonacci from here to where the market is currently to see the movement. Okay. Okay, we're still expecting the market to push up. So now let's bring down our, let's go to 4 hours. So you can see clearly that the market has been a bullish trend. It has been an uptrend from March till June, right? So the market came here at 4 hours, started consolidating at this angle, and on Friday it dropped after the market got to 51,600 approximately. That's where the market got to and starts dropping. So now that we have seen that the market has broken this level, what next are we looking out for? What next are we looking out for? So we'll take our Fibonacci from this level. First of all, we'll draw from this angle. Where the market is currently. You see, it gives us the same figure, the same analysis that we did last week, right? Because on Friday, the market, I hope you guys understand what I'm doing. The market came down again to the entry where it pulls up from. This is where the market pulls up from, it broke this high and get to this 61% fib level and came back again from where it broke out from. Do we understand? So where the market is currently, there is a zone there. There is a zone. I'm seeing a zone there. And we have psychological level at that particular angle, at that particular level. We have a psychological level there. Do you understand? We have a psychological level there. So now, since the market broke from this place and get to the 61% fib level, definitely I'm expecting the market to still come down to this 50%. To the 50% fib level. The second time, or let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 8th time, definitely it will break if there is a news. Let's check if there is news on this week. Okay, we have news Wednesday and Thursday this week. We have news on the 10th, Wednesday, and on Thursday. We have news on Thursday, Wednesday, 10th and 11th. So I'm expecting a massive push. If the market can get here before Wednesday to Thursday, I'm expecting a massive push to break this 61% fib level. Then our next target should be here. And here. %27%. Our next target. So this is going to be our analysis for the week. But let me make this very clear. So what you are expecting the market to get here, give us a W shape, break this, and take us back to the 61%. This is about 1,600 pips. But if the market does not do this, the second option that we are looking at, because there is a zone here. There is a zone there. The market has been rejecting at this level, right? If the market does not do this, we expect this. We still expect the market to come here, give us a W shape, then take it up to this level. We take it up to this level, right? But if the market can get down to the 50% fib level, that means the market can do 2,000 pips in a week, up to that. Unless if there is massive momentum. So 61%, we are expecting it to come back to the 61%. But if it doesn't get there, that means if he stopped from here, then we are expecting that the market will push up and break this zone, because this is now becoming a strong zone. It's now becoming a strong zone. As you can see, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rejections. 4 rejections. We couldn't break it from the 4 hours. So I'm going to drop this in our group because our time is already off. So do you have any question? If you have any question, we should drop it on the group chat. All right, guys. Let's see what's going to happen. Have a nice day and nice week ahead. Bye, guys.
Thanks so much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Anything, just drop it on the group because this thing has inspired. All right, bye, guys. Bye.
Okay.
Bye. Yeah, I'm ending now.